Welcome to my channel, Little Fox Fun TV. Let's learn the different types of Old World vultures. Name. Number 1. Cynourius vulture. Number 2. Griffon vulture. Number 3. White-rumped vulture. Number 4. Rupel's vulture. Number 5. Indian vulture. Number 6. Slender-billed vulture. Number 7. Himalayan vulture. Number 8. White-backed vulture. Number 9. Cape vulture. Number 10. Hooded vulture. Number 11. Red-headed vulture. Number 12. Lappet-faced vulture. Number 13. White-headed vulture. Number 14. Bearded vulture. Number 15. Egyptian vulture. Number 16. Palm-nut vulture. Thanks for watching. Please press the bell icon to subscribe my channel.